What if I told you that school, the place that we all spend years of our lives, wasn't really designed to make you smart, not to spark creativity, not to teach independence, but to make you obedient? It sounds wild, but once you see the origin, you never see the school the same way again. Welcome to Hidden Obvious. Let's go back to the 19th century, to Borussia, now part of modern-day Germany. They introduced a new model of education, one that looks suspiciously like a factory. Children sat in rows. A bell signaled the start and end of activities. Teachers drilled memorization and silence. And the goal? Not independent thinking. It was to produce citizens who follow orders. This model wasn't needed. It was admired. In fact, industrialists like Horace Mann, Carnegie, and Rockefeller helped spread it globally. And why not? They needed factory workers, disciplined, punctual, and compliant. Have you ever asked, why do schools have bells like factories? We are educated, but not empowered. Truth, you don't have to stay obedient. Now that you see the system, you can step outside it. Read widely, learn beyond school, listen to thinkers, not just teachers. Ask questions no one dares to ask in class. And if you are a parent, don't just teach your child to obey. Teach them to think. Because education should never be about control. It should be about freedom. Please open your eyes, share it with someone who still believes the system was built for them. This is the obvious, where we reveal the truths no one dare to speak about. Subscribe if you are ready to unlearn, to learn new things.